Hello everyone! Today I will show you an easy way to make McDonald's style French fries at home. These are crispy from outside and soft from inside. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I have taken 3 large potatoes, cut the sides, cut thin slices like this. It should be about 5 to 6 millimeters thick. Now make cuts like this. Now wash these fries twice in running water to remove the starch. Now submerge the fries in cold water. To it add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir it nicely. Keep it in water for just 5 minutes. We're going to add this to boiling water and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes only. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to the boiling water. It's been 3 minutes. My fries are 50% cooked. It can bend slightly, but it will not break. Now remove from water and let it come at room temperature. Remove excess moisture from the fries. Now we're going to do the first fry, which is just frying the fries for just 1 to 2 minutes. In just 1 to 2 minutes, you will start seeing very tiny bubbles on the fries. At that stage, remove it. If you want exact taste like McDonald's, double frying the French fries is very crucial. Let it come at room temperature and remove excess oil from it like this. Now the last step is we're going to fry one more time until the fries get cooked completely. Remove from oil when it changes color slightly. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it. See how nice and crispy these are? If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel.